Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to erase your QuickBooks Online data and start over. This is useful when you need to completely wipe your company file and begin with a fresh setup, whether you're repurposing your account for a new business or simply want to clear everything and restart from scratch. First, you'll need to log into your QuickBooks Online account as the admin user. This is crucial because only admin users have the permissions necessary to perform this kind of major company-wide change. Make sure you're signed in with the correct credentials before proceeding. Once you're logged in, here's where things get a bit technical, but stay with me. In your browser's address bar at the top of the screen, you'll need to manually type in a specific URL, https://cubointuit.com/app/purge company. This is a hidden page that QuickBooks doesn't make easily accessible through the regular menus, specifically because of how permanent this action is. After typing the URL, press Enter to load the Purge Company page. When the page loads, you'll see a warning message. Take a moment to read this carefully. It explains that this action will permanently delete all your company data, including every transaction you've recorded, all your lists like customers and vendors, and every detail you've entered. This is not reversible, so make absolutely certain this is what you want to do before moving forward. To confirm you understand the severity of this action, you'll need to type the word yes in all capital letters into the confirmation field. This extra step is QuickBooks' way of making sure you're intentional about erasing everything. Once you've typed yes, click the OK button to proceed. After clicking OK, QuickBooks will wipe your data and immediately start guiding you through setting up your company file again. You'll see a page asking what type of business is this. For a coffee shop, you'll want to select retail establishments since coffee shops operate primarily as retail businesses, selling products directly to customers. Next, you'll see a question asking create accounts based on my industry. Select create accounts based on my industry recommended. This option is incredibly helpful because QuickBooks will automatically set up a chart of accounts and other settings specifically tailored to retail businesses like coffee shops, saving you hours of manual setup work. Follow the remaining prompts to complete your setup, and you'll have a completely clean QuickBooks Online environment ready for your coffee shop. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.